Hello everyone, it's Jana. I know I haven't posted for a long time, but I'm here now and I am still taking pictures and still loving plants. And today I am showing you this beautiful philodendron white princess that I propagated a long time ago. And look what I have here. It has given me this beautiful pink variegation, and it's just so pretty that I had to just keep on hoping to see this leaf opened up and not fail. This is coming from this beautiful mother plant here. This plant has been giving me these white leaves continuously, and it never failed to keep on growing and non-stop on that one stem, and the other stem is those variegation of white and green leaves. And this one that I propagated, that I kept inside this greenhouse, has given me this one variegated pink leaf. It is just so amazing to say that one of them finally showing this variegation from the stem going through the leaves. And I am so happy that I have that plant, because as you could if you watch my other videos, you know my pink princess was not doing or giving me those pink leaves. Some of it though showing pink, but it's very rare to see those in my pink princess. But this one is also another rare one that I saw, that I'm hoping that one day I will see another pink variegation in this white princess again, because it's just so beautiful. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Bye for now.